time to time. This entire situation started with a sneeze.
Yeah! It would be the robot from 85.
So I'm standing next to this guy. I've never met this guy in my life or in a past life. This guy, okay, so he sneezes, right? I'm standing next to this guy, and the thing that really pissed me off immediately about this entire story is that he sneezed towards me. Now he had two options. He could sneeze towards and on me, or he could sneeze outward to the rest of the fucking world. None of which were as close as I am right next to this guy. So he turns towards me, and not only did he sneeze, and it was a loud sneeze. It was one of those scary sneezes. You know, somebody doesn't block it in, they're like, he sneezed, and that scared the shit out of me, and that made me look at him as debris was coming out of